Flight crew, please prepare for takeoff.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another full transparency trading session. Just know that I'll have to cover up the majority of the bottom of the screen because it's giving up all my personal information. But we'll go ahead and we'll scroll over here, and you can see that we made $656.80 today. We'll go ahead and minimize that so we can get to the trades. You can honestly see my P&L a little bit better on Tradovate, so I went ahead and pushed up the Tradovate. On the charts here, our first trade came at exactly 10:01. We hop into the trade here as it's going to the upside. Get pushed all the way up, a nice little candle there after the rundown. So the next candle opens up at 10:02, pushing up in our favor. And the reason that we got in is because we had these really hard levels right here at 52.30 and 52.29 was a low, and as soon as we hit 52.29, I went ahead and hopped into the trade. So we wicked down through 52.29, started pushing back up, rode that next candle up to about right here, and then sold out of that trade for almost $300. We ended up getting $250 out of that trade. Once we closed, we ended up with $244. So then after that, we just kind of watched the market play out. We saw a lot of areas where we were going to get in, thinking about pullbacks, stuff like that. So you'll see a lot of these little arrows. Didn't quite work out, so we went ahead and canceled all those orders. And then finally, we get the right here. We bought two, watched it run all the way up, pull back a little bit, and then start to run all the way up again. But you know, the initial fall down to this area here that we've been at before. Finally, we start to push up out of that area. Once this candle turned red here, I went ahead and gave up on that trade. We were perfectly lined up with the bottom of these candles, so clearly that was an area of resistance. Pushed on down after that, so I was happy with getting out of that trade with $300. And then our final trade right here was pushing down off of the 200 EMA, where we bought two contracts, and we sold right around there for $100 as well, giving us a little cushion on our $500 day by about $150. So we made $650 instead of the $500 that we were initially looking to make on the day, and it was a very good day. I'm going to keep this short because I'm going to walk my dogs, and then me and the girls are heading out to the park for a picnic. So this has been another full transparency trading session. Listen, we are in a nice range right now, so I hope you guys are finding these range trades to be going well for you. Let's look at SPY for just a second because I know everybody loves SPY. It's the exact same thing for ES. This is the range right down here at 515.83 all the way up to about 516.76. For the current several hours, we've been trading that range somewhere thereabout. I try to wait for it to get to the top of that range and then take my trades from the bottom of it, but you can take your trades from anywhere in that 200 EMA area. But of course, like I said, this is not financial advice, so I don't want to tell you how to trade. I'm just letting you guys know that we are in a very good trading range at the moment. I hope you guys are being safe out there. Happy hunting and have a great day.